got so many men on this planet that want a girlfriend, but they don't know how to talk to her. And you know what is the strangest thing? Is that they keep making the same mistakes over and over again. When actually it's super simple. So I'm gonna give you 10 pickup lines that you can use to secure your date. But before that, I just want to remind you, there is a shorter solution to all those troubles. You can book a class on www.yogasalsawithdidi.com. Anyway, 10 pickup lines that will secure you a date. So the first one, so let's say you walk in a bar and so you all dressed up, okay, nice and shaved, smelling nice, and you ask her, where is your boyfriend? I can guarantee you this is going to really help you to start a conversation, for the simple reason that she's going to laugh. And also for the simple reason that you're going to discard her straight away and you're not going to lose your time. If she has a boyfriend, you can just move on to another one. Until you find one that doesn't have a boyfriend. Second line. Can I buy you a drink? It's a little bit simple and a little bit overused, but that could work. If you dance, you can ask her, would you like to dance with me? Another one that is very helpful is, are you really good at what you're doing? I'm really impressed. How did you learn it? Where did you learn it? So you are flattering her, and by flattering her, you do it well because you are focusing on her strengths. You're not focusing on her beauty, which is one of the most banal statement that you can do, okay? So instead of telling her, oh, you are so beautiful, no, just turn it around and ask her instead, where did she learn how to be so amazing? Another one would be, congratulations, you have been voted the most attractive girl in the room, and the grand prize is a date with me. Line number 6. Was your father a terrorist? Because you are a real bomb. Line number 7. So you basically, you get it, right? So line number 7. Do you believe in love at the first sight? Because I can pass by again later. And then another one would be, kiss me if I'm wrong, but dinosaurs still exist, right? Can I follow you home? Because my parents always told me to follow my dreams. And the last one is, are you from Tennessee? Because you are the only 10 I see. Okay, guys. So I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please below comment. I want to hear from you guys. Until then, have a good evening. Namaste.